invite the honor of this institute as well as my adorable, beautiful, stunning personality and respected ma'am. She will tell us the importance of this national festival. Clap for her.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay. As you all know about me, I'm owner of this institute, but apart from this, I'm also patriot of my country, India. Today we are gathered here to celebrate this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. So first of all, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to all of you. And today we celebrate Independence Day. Okay. So today is a historic day in the history of our country, and this was the day in 1947 we got independence from British rule, as you all know. Okay, but one question arises here: how is this possible? How to get independence from British rule? Anyone knows? कोई बता सकता है? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, I tell you. This is due to the great freedom fighters of our country, and we are completely free to own, make the decisions today due to freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and so on. And this is the most significant day in Indian history as it marks sacrifice, bravery, hardship and patriotism shown by the freedom fighters. And after independence, we got our own fundamental rights, and today we have the right to choose our government also. ठीक है, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, अपनी गवर्नमेंट भी आप लोग अपने आप से चूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. At the last, I want to say one line for our country. This day is very important for us, and let's make a promise with ourselves to make it the best country in the world and to serve our country. Thank you so much for listening to me and maintain the decorum of this class till now. And at the last, I want to sing a song about my country. I want to dedicate this song about my country, India. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. Thank you so much.
Start my wonderful speech for my country, India. Once again, good morning, my honorable ma'am and lovely audience. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my ma'am who has given me this platform where we can represent ourselves. Now I want to wish you happy Independence Day to all of you. Now I would like to pay my thought to my country, India. Today we gather here to celebrate 76th Independence Day. Independence Day is national festival. It is celebrated on 15 August 1947. On this day, remember freedom fighters and great leaders Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh and so on. They all sacrificed their lives to get independence from the British, who ruled the country for more than 200 years. Independence Day celebrate Gandhi favor in school, college, office and other places. Across the country is the remember forefathers who drive the nation out of law. Celebrate with host the people, the flag and national anthem. Independence Day is most important day. दे सलामी इस तिरंगा को जिसमें तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना जब तक दिल में जान है. Thank you so much. Call Nikita Sharma. She wants to say a few lines about our country. Clap for her.
And all of you. First of all, I would like to say Happy Independence to you all of you. Now I want to say a few lines for my country, India. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating 76th Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, India became independent from British rule. Independence Day reminds us the sacrifice made by our mentors. So it is our responsibility to please and respect this freedom. We should love our country. We should try to do everything for progress, prosperity, and growth. Our country. Let us all pledge today maintain the integrity our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you all of you.
I'd like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Preeti Rathod. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate in 76th Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indians because on this day in 15 August 1947 we got independence from British rule. This is the day to remember the sacrifice of freedom fighters whose effect gave us independence. We got independence from British rule. We got independence with the help of many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many other freedom fighters. We are so lucky forefathers has given us road we can enjoy our life happily. Since independence, our country has developed in the field agriculture, education, science, technology and many other fields. But our country is also facing some problems like nepotism, child labor, poverty, corruption, etc. It's our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country of the world. We must proud to be Indian. At the end of my speech, I would like to see one line. East or West, India is best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.
Now I want to call Khushi Didi. She wants to say few lines about our country. Clap for her.
Firstly, I want to say Happy Independence Day to everyone. Now I am going to speak few lines for my country. प्रति वर्ष 15 अगस्त को स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया जाता है। 1947 ईस्वी में भारत के निवासियों ने ब्रिटिश शासकों से स्वतंत्रता प्राप्त की थी। ये भारत का राष्ट्रीय त्यौहार है। 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले के ऊपर तिरंगा को फहराया था। यह त्यौहार प्रतिवर्ष मनाया जाता है बड़े उत्साह के साथ। भाई जिन्होंने सीने में गोली, हम उनको सलाम करते हैं। जो मिट गए हैं देश पर, हम उन्हें सलाम करते हैं। हमें अपने स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को हमेशा स्मरण करना चाहिए और उसके समय हमें स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाना चाहिए। 15 अगस्त नॉट हॉलीडे। हम लोगों को स्वतंत्रता 15 अगस्त हम लोगों को छुट्टी का दिन नहीं मनाना चाहिए। इस दिन
Two lines about our country. Clap for her.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. And I speak few lines for my India. हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, ये जो नारा है ये हम लोगों को केवल बोलने के लिए ही नहीं बोलना चाहिए बल्कि हम लोगों को एक साथ मिलकर मनाना चाहिए। क्योंकि जब हम लोगों को कोई भी चोट लगती है तो खून जब निकलता है तो उसमें तो हम लोग को ये पता नहीं चलता कि ये हिंदू का खून है या मुस्लिम का है। तो जैसे खून में कोई वो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग डिफरेंस नहीं निकाल सकते, वैसे ही हम लोग को एक साथ मिलकर 15 अगस्त हम लोग को सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए। थैंक यू मैम एंड थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
I want to call Roman Bhaiya. He wants to say few lines about our country. Clap for him.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। जैसा कि आज आप लोग आज के दिन हम लोग को आज़ादी मिली थी 15 अगस्त के दिन, और इसमें कई वीरों ने जो है सबने मिलकर हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई ने मिलकर जो है देश को आज़ाद कराया था। और इसी के लिए हमारे आसपास आज छुट्टी का माहौल है और
उत्सव मनाया जा रहा है।
जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Sweetie Didi. She wants to say few lines about our country. Clap for her.
जैसा कि सभी को पता है कि भारत अनेक सभ्यताओं का देश माना जाता है, क्योंकि भारत की सभ्यता जिसमें से भारतीय सभ्यता सबसे पूजनीय मानी जाती है, क्योंकि भारत की धरती ही एक ऐसी धरती है जिसमें अनेक महान हस्तियाँ जिन्होंने भारत को आज़ादी दिलाने में अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान दिया, ऐसे वीर जवान यहाँ पर ही जन्मे हैं, जैसे महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, जिन्होंने हमें आज़ादी से जीने का, कुछ करने का, स्वतंत्रता से जीने का, समानता का अधिकार दिलाया, जिसकी वजह से आज हम सभी समान रूप से अपना अधिकार मांग सकते हैं और उसका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
वेरी गुड।
My respected teacher, today I am feeling immense pleasure because I am going to introduce myself as far as my introduction is concerned. I am Sweta Prajapati. First all of you very happy Independence Day. आज हम सभी यहाँ पर अपना 75 इंडिपेंडेंस डे बनाने के लिए एकत्र हुए हैं। आज के दिन ही हम लोग को अंग्रेजों के शासन से आज़ादी मिली थी। आज के दिन हमें उन महान सेनानियों को और महात्माओं को याद करना चाहिए जिन्होंने हम लोगों को आज़ादी दिलाई थी। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, महात्मा गांधी, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई आदि ने मिलकर हम लोगों को अंग्रेजों के शासन से आज़ादी दिलाई थी। और झुककर सलाम करें उन लोगों को।
Now I want to call Abhinav Bhaiya. He wants to say few lines about our country. Clap for him.
Teacher and all my friends. Today the topic is corruption. Today the India, which is called golden world, where the corruption is increased day by day. Today there are many people for getting the vote and so on. Because of this reason, people don't want to do their work with honesty and passion and people. Now alcohol shops are opened in villages, rural areas, etc. The PMNCM is working on this matter that you can take the license at home for purchasing alcohol bottles. There are many crimes occurred due to the alcohol and also accidental cases. That our government should prevention and nonsense activity should stop the corruption. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Now I want to call Shivam Bhaiya. He wants to say few lines about our country. Clap for him.
Happy Independence Day all of you. और जैसा कि आप सभी को पता होगा, आज के दिन हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ था और आज के दिन हम लोग इसे बहुत ही प्यार से मनाते हैं। जय हिंद।
है हमारे लिए जान से प्यारा वतन, है हमारे लिए जान से प्यारा वतन, जिसकी खातिर ज़माने से लड़ जाएंगे। है हम